guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. Guys, this wig is so cute. It's so easy and so carefree. This hair is from Celie Hair. As always, I'm gonna share with you guys everything that came in the box, my thoughts, y'all know how it goes. But I kept it super easy. I haven't even put anything in the wig. I literally just like washed it and boom boom, here we are. No like curling products. It's just like a beautiful, super soft, beautiful little wave. Definitely easy maintenance. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. In the first half of the video, I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna simply be installing it. And I did do some dramatic baby hairs. I normally don't do that, but I gave myself some dramatic baby hairs. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I got a ton more wig videos coming up, and let's hop into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. It was super easy, definitely a very carefree style. I did some dramatic baby hairs because I normally don't. I didn't put any product in the hair because I like the texture of the natural texture, you know what I mean? I genuinely like this hair. I think it's super just gorgeous. I was able to bleach the knots. I was able to pluck the hair. I didn't have any problems. This hair did come pre-plucked. So if you guys aren't like really that good at plucking your actual hair, this wig came pre-plucked, so you can definitely skip the plucking stage because it's not necessarily called for. I love the texture. I'm gonna show you guys how the box came and what came inside of the box because I did not show you that at the beginning. The wig actually came in this bag. I got a 14-inch and this says that it's 200% density. I wouldn't say that this was 200 density, so I don't know why that's checked off. Sew this onto your wig if you guys wanted to make your wig glueless. So I personally like that. I don't have any hair, so sometimes just like a throw on and go kind of wig really works for me. They also give you a little duster. So I got a little cheetah headband. Of course, a wig cap. A bunch of these companies give you wig caps. And you also get eyelashes. So far, every company has given eyelashes, and then they give you like a hair card that shows you guys the hair. They sell bundles. They also have an AliExpress store. And yeah, to be quite honest, I would shop this company again because I love the texture. I got a 13x4 frontal. When it comes to the siding, it's about this much parting space on the side, which is cool. I do like how flat the tracks are. Like the tracks are super flat. So if you wanted to do a slick bun or like a little slick ponytail, it would be super cute and definitely very flat. But yeah, overall, I'm really feeling this hair. The texture is just super soft and luxurious. And I love that. I love the fact that the hair, like so far, a bunch of the hair companies that I have been ordering from, the hair has just been like A1, top quality. And I feel like if I ever wanted to dye any wig, like if I wanted to dye this wig, let's say blonde and or copper, it would take really beautifully. But I'm here for it. I think it's super cute, you guys. It's like really cute. I got a 14-inch and this is where it's hitting, low-key kind of long. To the bottom of my little bra, it's giving super soft. Like when I mean super soft, this hair is so soft and I am really here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I've got a bunch of lit wigs coming up. Super excited about that. If you guys are ever interested, be sure to head over to my Poshmark. Sometimes I resell my old wigs. But yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.